Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I have another sketchbook unboxing. Another one, and this time it's Baylee Jae's new sketchbook. Now I'm sure a lot of you have heard of Baylee Jae.
In girl world, Halloween is the one night a year when a girl can dress like a total slut and no other girls can say anything about it.
She's an OG art YouTuber. I will leave a link to her shop and channel below if you're interested in buying this when you see it. Let's open it. Here we go. Alright, so I got the pink crinkle paper. I also ordered a thick dino pin, which I am actually going to open and show you. Oh, is autofocus on? It is. Let's see if it can focus. That. So shiny. Love this pen. Love it. So if we move the crinkle. With each sketchbook you get a sticker as well. So we got gifted the daisy sticker. A little thank you card. And a nice little print of her artwork on the back of that. Now let's see, time for the sketchbook. Here we go. So, Daisy sketchbook, Baylee Jae, white paper, which is what I ordered. Let's see if I can peel this off without ruining it. There we go. So here it is, Baylee Jae's new sketchbook. It's got daisy embroidered flowers on it, which has come out really nice. It smells fresh as well. And then when you open it, you have the daisies and Baylee Jae right there. This is a space to obviously write your name and everything. And then here's the paper. It's a square format, which I like because of the ELO sketchbooks that I've been using. Oh, and it lies flat as well. Look at that. Which is very good. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is do with what I did in the last video and just swatch some supplies on the paper and to see how well it takes it. So yeah, let's begin with a Crayola marker. This has been my go-to marker. So there's the marker right there. Test my pencil that I love to use. That's nice. I feel like I say that in like all of my videos. That's nice. That goes down well. Oops, I think this pen's running out. Zoom in a bit. I think that'd be better if we zoom in so I can see. Let's test our red and blue pencil. I know this will just be the same as an ordinary pencil, but that's really cool. Yes. Okay, let's test some watercolours, ink washers. Let's test the red this time. Be interesting to see if it buckles the paper. I know she did do a test on one of her videos and I don't think it did buckle, so we'll see. We'll see what it's like when it dries. And obviously I'm using as minimal, I can't say that word, minimal water as possible, but I think what we'll do is I'll make a big dollop of water there so you can see that, and then just massage that in and then leave it, see what happens. Okay, let's test some highlighters. I have blue and yellow here. I don't think these will go through. I'll do a few layers, see what happens. I think Baylee did say that alcohol markers do go through, but I think that happens on most sketchbooks. So I think what we'll do is we shall get some Copics. Let's see what happens. I'll use the Copic Chow markers, and I'll use what we got in the scroller box, and yes, the red one. So let's test that over here. And then test the red. Get a couple layers. Let's test some coloured pencils as well. Let's see if we can draw an apple actually. Let's draw an apple. That'll be good. Let's do a green apple. So I imagine apples look like this, so let's see. Right. This apple's gonna have a bit of, oh, you can't even see. Zoom out a bit, there we go. I have a bit of orangey red on my apple. I'm not sure if that means that it's, if the correct word or term is ripened, ripe, ready to eat, I'm not sure. It feels weird testing the sketchbook because I know that I'm not going to be using it for a while, so hopefully it doesn't put me off using it, if that makes sense. I don't think it will. I'll just be like, oh, this is just my test page just to see what supplies I can actually use. I think the real test for when getting a new sketchbook and reviewing it is like later down the line when you've filled the whole sketchbook. I think that's the only way you can make a true review, but this is just a little test to see how the paper takes up the supplies. Okay, where's my green gone? Here it is. Let's blend that out some more. Because usually when you go really, like, when you press down really hard with the pencil, it can make a mark on the other side of the paper, so that's why I'm doing this. Because I do like to use coloured pencils in my sketchbooks. There we go. It's not really 3D, but it tested my pencils. And now I can't get them back inside my tub. Alright, I think we should test some Posca markers. So these are pretty much like acrylic paint, aren't they? Oh, it's run out, this one. I'll bin it. I've got quite a bit of black anyway. Let's test the white on this. I'm not really sure about white Posca pens. I feel like they come up as opaque than a jelly roll. The white signal, we just do that. Make sure, I think it soaks into the ink. I think that worked out pretty well. So yeah, I think I'm gonna say that's it for this little test or swatch. It's just, well, you can see that a lot of water, wait, I'm not even on automatic. Here we go. So you can see that the water, too much water, ruins the paper, so I wouldn't recommend using heavy watercolours on this paper. Now I'm going to turn it over and see. Okay. Right, so you can see that a lot of water will go through onto the other page, so don't recommend that, and obviously using alcohol based markers like Copics, I wouldn't recommend them on this paper either. But everything else I would recommend. So that is quite a lot of supplies. I would class this as a mixed media sketchbook. So yeah, if you do want to get one of these, they are all sold out at the minute, but I'm pretty sure Baylee Jae is reopening her shop November 22nd, so yes, I would definitely look out for that. So yeah, I'm sure you'll see this sketchbook in the future being used, but until then it will have to be this sketchbook, which I am currently using. I do have a sketchbook talk coming up very soon because I did finish one. And I also wanted to make a quick announcement and say that my little bumblebees are back in on my shop for the Christmas time. So if you would like one or want to get one for your friend for Christmas, the link is in the description box. And yeah. Okay, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment below what you think, share with your friends, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time with another video. Okay, bye.